Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 8th of February 2023. Looking across crypto markets today, a little bit of a subdued atmosphere, trading environment. Ethereum making some moves though up until the 1700 handle once again. Quite a bit of sticky resistance here been found over recent months. But we are looking to get that breakout now, and it looks like there are buyers here that are looking to push us through, but we really need to get through 1700 now on Ethereum, secure that breakout. You can see the last time we were here, big rejections. We've had them in the past as well, so securing a strong daily close above this level, maybe somewhere around 1750, we can then look to hit that lower high in the overall trend lower, which is around 1800, before making moves into the 2k handle. Getting through 1700 is key today for Ethereum or this week. Bitcoin, as you can see, not currently testing its most recent highs, so the current leaders in the space, if you like, the current outperformers are Litecoin and Ethereum. Litecoin has already had a go today at its most recent high at 102, hasn't been able to secure a breakthrough there, so now we need to see Litecoin get a move through there, and then we can start talking about moves up into 115. So basically the state of play in cryptos right now is currently testing and looking to break the range highs. You can see Ethereum testing that recent 102. If it can't get through here, then we reverse back lower, we'll move back down to 95, the range lows. BTC is getting a little bit choppy and a bit ugly, to be honest, around about here. Trading conditions, you can see we've had quite a lot of intraday volatility, no clear direction. It's not quiet either. Been picking up probably during the US sessions. We did see a move to the upside yesterday on the back of a bidding risk across the board post Jerome Powell's comments in Washington. So we did move higher, but already ticking lower today, and it's been that kind of period over the past couple of weeks. We've moved higher and then it's been a move back lower. You can see that reflected, had them green, but we haven't been able to get a consistent run of green now since basically the start of the year. That's what's probably needed to get us through this 24. Otherwise it's continued range trade with a bias probably leaning to the downside for a move back towards 21,850. Ripple continues to go nowhere, if truth be told. Lows being supported down there at 3870. If that level goes, then we can see a break to the downside. You are starting to see a trend line which has been formed now, and you're starting to get the support there. So there's a triangular wedge pattern which is forming, and the lows of course being 0.3870, and a break below there you could see some stronger moves down, probably looking to 0.3720 as a next level down if you were looking for some support. Pretty much it from mine. There's no major news in the crypto space today, so nothing else to update you on. I'll leave it there for today.